Good evening, guys. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl again here. Welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing? How was the Easter week taking you guys? I hope you enjoyed your Easter, and I hope you, to all the Christians and to all the Catholics, most especially for the loss of Pope Francis. May his soul rest in peace. And yes, I hope you enjoyed your Easter, and I hope you're no longer going to be sinners. Meanwhile, today's video is all about how to use a Luron cream. Yeah, how to use Luron cream. I don't know whether you can see it properly. It's Luron cream, Luron pimple cream. Yes, it's just very similar like that, as you can see, very small as like that, but it works magically. If you go to my videos of long time ago, 2019, when I started a YouTube channel, you'll find that my face was not looking like this. Yes, I was using this cream since that time up to the time I stopped. I think it disappeared actually from the market for some time because I used to look for it and I couldn't find it. But of recent, I went to Naivas and then I got this. Yes, because I noticed that I'm actually having some oily skin on my face, and yeah. So the use of this one, it's written that effectively combats acne, pimples, blackheads, freckles, blemishes, and wrinkles. You can see everything is written there, what this cream removes on your face. So first of all, when you're using this cream, if you buy this cream and try it on the face that has pimples, so many pimples, in a week, trust me, this can actually clear this your pimples. In 2 to 5 days, it will clear it perfectly. Trust me, because in the beginning I used to use this, and so many people were asking me what I'm using on my face. There were many, when I go to church, most especially when I go to work, they used to ask me what I'm using on my face. Yes, I was using Luron cream. So since then, when it disappeared and I forgot about it, I didn't remember about it. But then I went to I started using traditional things like home remedies, of which they are also perfectly working. But I missed Luron cream, because this one in one day it will clear everything for me. Because for me, I don't have pimples on my face, but all I want to remove is actually wrinkles. Yeah, you see, sometimes as we humans, when we get annoyed, when you have stress, even your skin grows old. Okay, I don't know whether you've ever noticed that. If you're that person who is stressed up every day, thinking of so many things every day, your skin also grows old. The more you be happy every day, and then you'll just look young. Your skin will not grow old so fast. Okay, that's why I can tell you it's actually recommended. Sometimes when you have kids at home, you play with kids, laugh with them, run the way they're running, you know, the more you laugh, the more you're happy, the more your body also is happy, and your skin will not grow old fast. For those ones who are stressed every time, and then you buy this Luron cream, buy it. It is just only 65 Kenyan shillings. 65 bob Kenyan shillings. You get it. Yes, you get it. Anyways, you can use it. How to use it? Then you can use it even in the evening, most especially bedtime. When you're going to sleep, you apply it on your face, and then don't rinse it off. You go and sleep with it. Don't apply so much of it, too much of it, just a little of it. I will show you how to apply. Yes, you apply a little of it, and then don't rinse it, and go to bed. Tomorrow in the morning when you wake up, you rinse your face. You wash your face with the soap that you normally use to wash your face, to bathe. You wash your soap with that and rinse it off, and then moisturize your face. You'll see the best results ever. Yes, also in the morning, if you're not going anywhere, if you're just at home, you can apply it on your face. When it reaches in the evening or even in the afternoon, you rinse it off, because it will not show that your something is wrong with your face. Even if you go with it anywhere, it also prevents sunburns. Okay, even if you go it anywhere like that, it also prevents sunburns. So then in the evening you rinse it, or you apply it in the morning, and then in the afternoon you wash your face. You're good to go. The time when you're going to take a shower, then you can rinse it off. You're good to go, my dear. It works. Try a beg, it works. So when you're applying it, you make sure you don't have the oil on your face. You can see my face, it has no oil at all, no oil at all. So this is how it looks, somehow like orange inside. I don't know whether you can see it. You can see how it looks. So you just get that amount, like that, as just simple as that. So you're going to massage it on your face, on your skin. Massage it, not so bad. Take it with your skin. Massage it. Sometimes your face will look like you've applied makeup. Yes. You see how my face will look now after. Be careful with your eyes. Apply also on your under eye, also up here, so that your under eye cannot remain black. Yes. Actually, the weather is not that friendly today. Not even today, since yesterday the weather is not friendly. It's ever cold and raining every time. Yeah. So we are done with massaging it on our skin. That is how your face will look after you apply it on your face, and then you have to leave it till the time you're going to take a shower, and then you are good to go. Okay, yes, it works. So thank you so much. That is all on how to use Luron cream. Luron cream has so many products. If you don't know, there are so many. If you go to the supermarket, you'll find a lot of the products of Luron cream. Yeah, and they are working for me. They are working with my skin perfectly, and maybe it can work for you also. You have to try something. If you find it's not working, that's when you have to drop it. If you find it's working, you continue with it. Okay, so thank you so much. That's all for today's video. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe. If you don't feel like subscribing, just swipe the video and go away. And thank you so much. See you